Hello dudes and dudettes. This is a puzzle box I have made. And this is what it looks like. Obviously it's made of Legos. And the first step with solving it, sliding this out. Slide this out. And it's not easy to do this sometimes, but there it goes. And this comes out of there. Into this hole, take that out, and then to get this out, which is what we're trying to get out, we take this out, that's for later, and then we put it in here, take this out, and the happened bitch already, but so what's supposed to happen is take this out, these two come out. What we do now is assemble it like this. And put it in the middle of the box lid and lift up. What I have in here is a 1942 penny. And that's all. Bye.
Oh yeah, don't forget about me, but bye.